am hosting a virtual event to help first-time home buyers understand the home buying process. This event will walk you from start to finish on being able to understand the whole entire process of how you get with an agent, such as myself, and how you purchase a home. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shayla Fight, and I'm a real estate agent. Sorry, my dogs are free content. Hi, Bubby. Hi. I'm filming. Thank you. Okay. Anyway, so yes, we are going to walk you through the entire process so you can purchase a home. It's so important for me to host this event for you guys because it has been on my heart, because I've talked to so many different people and so many people just don't understand the entire home buying process, especially what it's like getting with an agent, understanding the questions that they have to ask, going through the pre-approval process, going through getting pre-qualified for a home, then after you're pre-qualified and you're under contract, what that process is like. So we are going to go over what documents you're needed. We're going to go over credit scores. We're going to go over the home buying process as far as what homes are costing in your area. We're going to go over the entire thing when you are going to purchase a home, even through the offer process, going to view homes. We're going to go through every step so that way you understand the entire home buying process. I am so excited to do this event for you guys because I know it's going to be a lot of information. It's going to be so great that you are going to walk away from this event knowing exactly what you need to do to purchase your first home. So there is going to be a link in the description where you can sign up. Again, we are having our first virtual event to help you go through the home buying process for 2024, and I'm so excited. So please click the link in the description, and that way you can go and sign up to be able to come to our virtual event. It will be October 23rd. So I'm so excited and I can't wait to see you there. Have a good one, guys.